Have you ever looked at your bank account just a few days after payday and wondered, where did all my money go? You're not alone. Millions of hardworking Americans earn decent incomes, yet they still struggle to pay bills, build savings, or invest for the future. The truth is, staying broke isn't always about how much you make. More often, it's about the financial habits you repeat without even realizing it. In 2026, rising prices, higher housing costs, expensive healthcare, and everyday inflation have made money management more important than ever. The good news? Most financial problems can be improved by avoiding a few common mistakes. In this video, we'll break down the 10 biggest money mistakes keeping Americans broke in 2026, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. Some of these habits might seem harmless, but over time they can quietly drain thousands of dollars from your future wealth. Let's get started. Number 1. Living without a budget. Many people think budgeting means giving up everything they enjoy. It doesn't. A budget simply tells your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. Without a plan, it's easy to overspend on food delivery, online shopping, subscriptions, or entertainment. Small purchases may not seem like much, but they add up quickly. Imagine spending just $15 a day on things you didn't plan to buy. That's over $5,000 a year. Successful people don't budget because they're poor. They budget because they want to stay financially secure. Start by tracking your spending for 1 month. You'll probably be surprised by where your money is actually going. Number 2. Depending too much on credit cards. Credit cards can be useful when used responsibly. The problem begins when they become a way to afford a lifestyle you can't actually pay for. Many Americans carry high-interest credit card balances month after month. With interest rates remaining high in 2026, that debt grows faster than many people realize. A $5,000 balance can end up costing thousands more if you only make minimum payments. Instead, try paying your statement balance in full whenever possible. If you're already carrying debt, focus on paying off the highest interest card first. Using credit wisely builds wealth. Depending on credit to survive slowly destroys it. Number 3. Lifestyle inflation. Have you ever received a raise and somehow still felt broke? That's lifestyle inflation. As income increases, spending often increases right along with it. A bigger apartment, a newer car, more expensive vacations, more dining out. None of these purchases are necessarily bad. The problem is when every raise disappears into a more expensive lifestyle instead of helping you build wealth. One of the smartest financial habits is keeping your lifestyle almost the same after getting a raise. Instead of spending the extra money, increase your savings and investments first. Future you will be grateful. Number 4. Not having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Cars break down, medical bills appear, people lose jobs. Without emergency savings, many families have no choice but to rely on credit cards or personal loans. That's how one unexpected expense turns into years of debt. Financial experts generally recommend building an emergency fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. Don't worry if that sounds impossible. Even saving $25 or $50 from every paycheck is a great start. Small, consistent savings often beat waiting for the perfect moment. Number 5. Waiting too long to invest. One of the biggest financial mistakes isn't investing badly. It's never investing at all. Many people believe they need thousands of dollars before they can begin investing. That's simply not true anymore. Thanks to low-cost index funds and investment apps, many Americans can start investing with surprisingly small amounts. The real advantage isn't how much you invest at first, it's how early you start. Time allows compound growth to work in your favor. Someone who starts investing at age 25 often ends up with significantly more wealth than someone who waits until 40, even if the second person invests more money each month. The best time to start was years ago. The second best time is today. Those were the first 5 mistakes. The next 5 may be even more expensive because many people don't realize they're making them every single month. Number 6. Paying for things you don't even use. Take a moment and think about this. How many monthly subscriptions are coming out of your bank account right now? Streaming services, gym memberships, cloud storage, music apps, premium software? Many Americans sign up for free trials and completely forget about them. A few dollars here and there may not seem like a big deal, but together they can quietly cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars every year. Set aside just 15 minutes once a month to review your bank or credit card statements. Cancel anything you no longer use or truly need. Saving money isn't always about earning more. Sometimes it's simply about stopping unnecessary spending. Number 7. Ignoring retirement savings. Retirement can feel like it's decades away, especially if you're in your 20s or 30s. But that's exactly why you should start now. One of the biggest mistakes Americans make is delaying contributions to retirement accounts, like a 401k or Roth IRA. Every year you wait is another year your money misses out on compound growth. If your employer offers a 401k match, don't leave that money on the table. It's essentially free money added to your retirement savings. Even contributing a small percentage of your paycheck today can make a huge difference over the next 20 or 30 years. Your future self will thank you for every dollar you invest now. Number 8. Buying things to impress other people.
Social media has made it easier than ever to compare our lives with everyone else's. You see someone driving a luxury SUV, taking expensive vacations, or showing off a designer lifestyle, and suddenly your own life feels like it's falling behind. But here's the reality. Many people who look wealthy are deeply in debt. Real wealth isn't about looking rich, it's about having financial freedom. Instead of buying expensive items to impress others, invest in assets that grow your net worth. The people who become financially successful usually care more about building wealth than displaying it. Remember, appearances can be incredibly misleading. Number 9. Never increasing your income. Cutting expenses is important, but there's a limit to how much you can save. There's almost no limit to how much you can earn. Many people spend years trying to save an extra $50 each month while ignoring opportunities to increase their income. Learning a valuable skill, negotiating a higher salary, starting a side hustle, freelancing, investing in education, these actions have the potential to change your financial future far more than skipping a daily coffee ever could. The most successful people focus on both sides of the equation, spending wisely and earning more. Number 10. Thinking financial success happens overnight. This may be the biggest mistake of all. Many people expect instant results. They invest for a few months and get discouraged. They start a budget and quit after 2 weeks. They launch a side hustle and give up because it doesn't make money immediately. Building wealth doesn't happen overnight. It happens through thousands of small decisions made consistently over many years. Every dollar you save, every debt payment you make, every investment you contribute, every smart financial choice adds another brick to your future. Success is rarely about one big decision. It's usually about hundreds of small ones. Final thoughts. If you recognized yourself in somebody's mistakes, don't feel discouraged. The good news is that financial habits can change. You don't need a 6-figure salary to build a better future. You don't need to be a stock market expert or win the lottery. What you need is consistency. Start with one habit. Create a budget. Build a small emergency fund. Pay down high-interest debt. Invest regularly, even if it's only a small amount. Month after month, those simple actions can completely transform your financial life. Remember, the goal isn't to look rich. The goal is to become financially secure, reduce stress, and create opportunities for yourself and your family. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more practical money tips, investing strategies, and personal finance advice designed to help you build real wealth in 2026 and beyond. And before you go, tell us in the comments, which of these money mistakes had you already stopped making, and which one will you fix starting